Virtual reality is making inroads. The Jewish General Hospital's cardiology department, a team of doctors have performed an operation assisted by a colleague sitting 500 kilometers away in Toronto. Stéphane Giroux has more.
When COVID hit Montreal, the Jewish General Hospital, like many other hospitals, quickly became off limits for many elective surgeries, including the heart. Bringing teams of specialized surgeons for installing cardiac valves, for example, became a logistical nightmare.
For these procedures, we usually bring people in from the outside down. We only did the most emergent cases. We had partnerships with other centers.
The solution involved connecting the team doing the surgery with an expert who is up to date on the very latest intravenous valve replacement technologies. That doctor monitored the surgery from his Toronto office.
And we worked this in collaboration with our colleague, Dr. Sam Radhakrishnan in Toronto, who was able to see almost everything we see in that operating room and is able to comment on it. We can discuss every step of the procedure.
This is how it worked. Dr. Sam Radhakrishnan is watching remotely from his office while the other team in Montreal is inserting a replacement valve through the aorta on the patient. A technician from the valve manufacturer is making sure the device is loaded correctly. Back in Toronto, Dr. Radhakrishnan is monitoring vital signs and other things in real time on his screens and provides guidance to the surgeons. Think of it as a Zoom session on steroids.
Our job was very simple. Let's bring the operating room to the office of the doctor. The guys can do 2 cases in the morning, 2 cases in the afternoon, and he can be with his family to do a barbecue.
The technology was developed for cardiology, but it can be applied elsewhere.
You can imagine that we can expand that to other type of therapies, surgeries as well, other type of environment as well. But it was more urgent or emergent to carry on with the cardiology sector.
It's a new world in the operating room, one where virtual reality could soon be the next step. Stéphane Giroux, CTV News.